Cabinets and Mantle for Good Things Utah, provided by Maple Landing Custom Cabinets and Woodworking.
The Utah Shakespeare Festival is a southern Utah staple. People come from far and wide to immerse themselves in this top-notch theater performances. Brian Vaughn, artistic director, so much to talk about because things were different this year.
Absolutely,
It didn't
yes,
happen.
they were. It is true. Yes, we did not have a season this year, as every professional theater company in the country has not, with the exception of maybe two on a very small scale. So yes, it was very challenging for us in the 2019 season, but we're moving forward into 2021 like everyone, and things are actually going very well for us, which is good. We've had a lot of support.
Well, one thing that I would love to have you talk about so that people understand why it was canceled. It's not necessarily up to you or to the campus. This all falls on the Actors Union, who is taking great measures to protect professional actors.
That's right. I mean, we operate under the agreement with the Professional Actors Union, and we are a professional theater. And their stipulation was that this was unfortunately too safe a scenario for us this year, and we follow those guidelines. And so that was really the determining factor in us not moving forward with our season. But we are in the midst of a global pandemic, and it completely makes sense that being in a confined room with many people watching a play is just not ideal during this time right now.
Yes.
So it was challenging, definitely, and but we're buoyed moving into next year and feeling really positive about it. So.
You are. Now you're rolling over some of those titles that were supposed to be on the agenda. You're keeping some, adding some. What can you tell us?
That's right. Our 2021 season is actually our 60th anniversary here at the festival, which is an amazing milestone. It's kind of a hybrid of some titles that we're moving over from last year that we were unable to produce. All of our Shakespeare plays, Comedy of Errors, Richard III, Pericles, Cymbeline. We're also doing two musicals, Pirates of Penzance, which is rolling over, as well as the amazing musical Ragtime, which is a first for us at the Shakespeare Festival and is certainly a timely topic right now in our world, as well as two really great plays, one by Pulitzer Prize-winning playwright Lynn Nottage called Intimate Apparel, which will be in our Ames Theater, and then a two-hander comedy called The Comedy of Terrors, not to be confused with The Comedy of Errors.
And what's it about?
It's sort of about a multiple set of twins in a kind of a murder mystery scenario, and it will really showcase two dynamic actors playing multiple parts over the season. So. Tickets go on sale August 17th into our public sales, and we have a private sale going on right now for our donors. And we're still doing some virtual programming currently during this time, which has been great. So we have virtual seminars that happen every Thursday and Friday at 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock. Those happen live stream through Facebook, as well as you can later watch them on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. So trying to still stay engaged with our audience, and we're excited moving into 2021. 60th anniversary. It's amazing.
It's a big deal, and it's going to happen. You know, you're going to be following along what's coming down from equity, putting whatever protocols in place so that the audience is safe, the actors are safe. And I do love what you're doing on social media. You're keeping your actors visible, you're engaging your audience still, keeping arts in everybody's the forefront of our minds.
Absolutely, and the safety of our audience is our first priority all across the board, and so we're putting that stuff together as we move into 2021, protocols that we might have in place depending on where we are in this time next year.
Yeah.
And like everyone is, and we're hopeful, and we're putting all our collective efforts to try to make people safe and comfortable so that we can all get back to the theater and really sharing beautiful stories for people.
What I love too is there's so many ticket options, so you can come down for a weekend, see a bunch of stuff. Or how does all of that work?
No, one of the beautiful things about coming down here, obviously in Cedar City, is the retreat element of seeing a bunch of plays in a short amount of time. And we usually promote 6 plays in 3 days, where you can see a matinee and an evening consecutively over the course of a couple of days. And we have live seminars for people, post-show discussions that come with the ticket price. We have a free green show for our audience, which is a pre-show entertainment. And then you get to be outside in this beautiful, part of the country and most beautiful part of Utah. So it's a terrific place to spend a summer, and Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing like it. And storytelling unites and connects us all, reminds us we're not alone, and we need that more than ever. So get your tickets on
100%.
sale August 17th for the 2021 season. And where can people do that?
You can go to our website at bard.org, BARD.org is our website, and all of our ticketing options are there, as well as multiple platforms for connectivity right now with our audience.
Perfect.
So, yeah.
All right, plan your trip.
Absolutely. Thank you. I appreciate it.
What's coming up next, Bry?
Well, we're talking about how high you can climb in SUU's outdoor recreation program. It's a lot of fun down there in Cedar City. We're back live after this.